Hi everybody, Jackie here with Dr. Bilski of Bilski Family Dentistry. How are you doing today?
Great, how are you?
Doing good, doing good. So today we're talking about smile makeovers. And you brought in some pictures of us to show some smile makeovers that you've done in your office. So let's take a look.
Yeah, this young lady came in and obviously you can see the teeth are a little shorter on some side and longer on the other, a little more yellow. And she was just looking for more of a blend. In this case, we only had to do the 4 front teeth, so when a smile makeover comes in, doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to do all of the teeth. In her case, she had great lip support, great gums, so we went ahead and just changed out the 4 front teeth, and then if you look at the next picture, you can see the end result.
These here.
Still looks like herself. Smile has not changed much, other than obviously the color and the shape of it. Looks great. I love it.
So you guys did the reshaping and then you did whitening on this one, it looks like.
Absolutely, yeah. And she loves it as well.
So this was the second smile makeover that we had here.
Yeah. This is a 7-year-old woman, and for many years her teeth were starting to get worn down in the front, and the color was a little bit mottled is the terminology, so speckled.
Oh, I see that there.
We went from a speckled look, and again, shaping the front 6 teeth, placing some veneers on the teeth, and there you have it.
Wow, so you guys definitely did a couple things to really transform that smile.
Right, so that's the thing about being cosmetically driven in your practice, dental practice. Not everything needs to be crowned. In other words, not everything is a nail and we use a hammer. We look at the smile, we look at the face. Patients want what they want.
Right.
So we just ask them, how many teeth do you think is best for you? We'll give you our opinion, but ultimately you're the one that's making the final decision. Again, in this case, 6 teeth.
And a really, really beautiful difference. And so then you have a third example here of a single tooth, because sometimes it's just that one tooth that's a trouble spot.
Exactly. Those teeth were developed that way as a young child, and this young lady was about 25 years old when we started working with her, and I love the way her teeth are shaped. The gums look great again. She has great lip support. So all we need to do is fix 2 teeth with simple veneers, and within 2 appointments she's back on the road with a beautiful smile.
Wow, what a difference.
Yes, certainly.
So if you are looking for a smile makeover, give Dr. Bilski a call or visit him online at bilskidds.com. You guys do really, really great work, and you really excel at cosmetic dentistry and transforming smiles, helping transform lives.
We're just looking to help people. Yeah, thank you.
So give him a call. Thanks, Dr. Bilski.